Good evening mga mahal! Kumusta na? Tonight on Learn Tagalog, let's learn how to tell time. Let's start. Let's start with midnight. If you were asked, what time is it now? Or, anong oras na? And you wanna say, it's already 12 midnight. Hatinggabi na. Hatinggabi na. It's already 12 midnight. Or you can say 12 midnight na. 12 midnight na. Another one, you can also say 12:00 na ng hatinggabi. To say 1 a.m., alauna. 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 2 a.m., 2:00. 2:00. 3 a.m., 3:00. 3:00. 4, 4 a.m., 4. And 5 a.m., 5. 5. 6 a.m., 6. 6. 6. 7 a.m., 7. 7. 7 a.m. And to say 8 a.m., 8. 8. 8. 8. 9 a.m., 9. 9. 9. 10 a.m., 10. 10. And 11 a.m., 11. 11. And 12 noon, 12. Again with 12. And since it's 12 noon, you say 12 ng tanghali. Noon or tanghali. 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 So, that's it for tonight. Since I don't want to make the video too long. So, we have 12 midnight until 12 noon. 12 ng tanghali. And if you want to say, for example, 7 a.m., 7 ng umaga. Umaga, that means morning. And midnight, hatinggabi. And if it's noon, like 12 noon, 12, noon, tanghali. 12 noon, 12 ng tanghali. Here, ng, the word ng serves as a linker. And if you wanna say, if you were asked, what time is it now? Or anong oras na? And you wanna say, it's already or it's now 7 a.m. 7 na. 7 na. Or you wanna say, it's now it's now midnight or it's already midnight. 12 na. 12 na ng hatinggabi. So, that's it. And on the next video, let's learn the rest. And you can check below for the spellings. And it's also posted on Learn Tagalog's Facebook wall. That's it for tonight. Good night. It's almost 12 midnight here. Bye.